Alright, so first off I want to thank everyone for blowing up some of those videos on my channel. One of those was Smash Drums, and the developer decided to send me a few things. We're going to take a look and see what we got. Alright, so inside the first one here, nice little card. Let's see what it... Okay, some question marks. What puzzle? Alright. We got a Smash Drums stocking. Very cool. Oh, yes. Look at this. We got the Smash Drums hoodie. Very nice. This looks like a drumstick holder bag. Oh, look at that. So cool. Yeah, that's awesome. Alright, so let's see what this is. I think it's a mug. Definitely looks like that. Is it a Smash Drums mug too? Let's see. Oh, yes, look at that. Cool Smash Drums coffee mug. We'll definitely be using that. And we also had this show up too. This one came today. Move some of that out of the way. Alright. Ooh, that is a nice box. Look at that. Wow. Even magnetic. Oof. What's that say? Rock and roll was not dead. It has never been more alive. Cool little personal note here. Look at that. So cool. Oh, ha, ha, yes. Look at this. Alright, we got some mini drumsticks. That's awesome. Oh, nice bottle cap opener. We got, ooh, some magnets, looks like. Oh, yeah. Very cool, and some magnets. What is this? Smash Drum stickers, very cool. Look at those. Wow. And looks like we got a journal. Awesome. Huge thank you again to everyone who's liking and following my videos on this VR journey. Thank you, Potam, for sending this out to me. And if you haven't tried Smash Drums yet, be sure to do so. It is an epic VR game. And with this new mixed reality mode, you can actually destroy your entire environment. I've been taking it indoors, outdoors, to various places. And it is super fun. So check that out. And thanks again.